Welcome back to Vegan Food in London Part 2. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an in-depth review of Jam Delish. It is a vegan Caribbean food restaurant in London, and it is quite small inside and you do need a reservation. I thought because I was only one person that I might be able to like sit at a bar or, just get like a small table. But because it is so small and they don't have a bar, I ended up having to order my food to go and taking it back to my hotel. So I got the fried plantains, which were pretty good. I do like my plantains fried a little bit harder, but the flavor of them was good. They were nice and sweet. It did come with some pomegranate with those, so I tried it together. Now it does come with some sort of barbecue sauce on top. I opted not to get that one because I was taking it all the way back to my hotel, and sauces that sit sometimes can get soggy or make the food soggy, and I hate soggy food. So I opted not to get it. I should have probably asked for it on the side just to taste it, but I didn't. Maybe next time. But they were pretty good, just like your standard fried plantain. So I'll give my rating at the end. Then I also got their jerk chicken bowl. Now this came with the jerk chicken, some cabbage, some bell peppers, some yellow rice, and whatever their sauce is, and some pomegranates. They love the pomegranates. Now, normally I would voice over my response, but this was so good, I started talking to the camera. So I'm gonna just shut up now. I was really trying to hold back and do the whole, just wait and give my review and my voiceover, but you're about to find out. I can't hold back, so here it is. Y'all, I am truly blown away. I'm not sure what kind of meat they use. I wish the natural light is this way. That's what the chicken look like. All right, let me tear it apart for y'all. Y'all see it? I don't think they gave me. Okay. Y'all see? We're having a hard time. Here we go. That's the chicken. When I tell y'all, this is amazing. Now it does come with some cabbage and bell peppers. Just cabbage. I don't even know. It looks like it's very lightly roasted, maybe. This piece seems like it's barely cooked at all, which is fine. But the chicken, I am truly amazed. Like truly, and it's packed with flavor. Like so much flavor. Jam Delicious, y'all did the daggone thing, okay? Do you hear me? Y'all really did that. Now, I also got some dessert. They had cheesecake of the day, and then on this particular day, I believe it was the mango cheesecake. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a no-bake cheesecake. It holds up nicely. I like the consistency, very creamy, very smooth, with a maybe Biscoff cookie or something similar type of base. And it was really good, tasty, like I said. Now, I'm wearing different clothes because your girl was full after eating the main course and the appetizer, so I had to eat this the next day. But I really did enjoy the cheesecake. So for my overall review of Jam Delish, I highly recommend it. The fried plantains, as I got them, I would say those were like a 8.2 out of 10. And then the jerk chicken rice bowl, that definitely was a 10 out of 10, or maybe even a 20 out of 10. Okay, that was really given. And then the cheesecake was definitely a 9.5 out of 10 for me. So overall, I highly recommend Jam Delish. It's going on my repeat list. So anytime I'm in London, I'm definitely going to make a reservation so I can sit in and eat. And here's some of the other options and places that I did try out while I was in London. Stay tuned for part 3 because I will be doing an in-depth review of one of these other restaurants coming up soon. So make sure you turn that bell notification on. If you like this video, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up. And until next time, thanks for watching.